In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $200 per day using DigSeek AI. Hey, hello, my name is Yana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you guys to miss a video. As you guys know, AI is here to stay and it's giving us a lot of opportunities to earn money online. I can guarantee you guys that now than ever, it's way easier to make money online. But the thing is that with all these opportunities, there is a huge shiny object syndrome and people are jumping from thing to thing. And that's the reason why they're not getting results. So if you implement what I'm showing you, but most importantly, if you're really committed with yourself and if you're really, really committed with your success, you are going to accomplish your financial goals. Okay. But again, this is not something magical. That is something it's going to happen somehow. No, you need to be committed with yourself. You need to be committed with your success. You need to watch the entire video and you need to be consistent with the implementation. Okay. So let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we are actually going to be on the same page. As I mentioned before, I'm going to teach you how you can earn $200 per day with DeepSeek. Just in case that you guys don't know what DeepSeek is, it's an AI tool or platform, the same as with ChatGPT, but I can say that it with asteroids. Okay, so that's the one that we're going to be using. Just in case that you guys are wondering, like right now, like then you really earn money online. Let me share with you here. Okay, here, for example, you see I have $9, $43, $67, $43, another 43, another 109, 165, 165, and so on. So definitely, guys, you can actually earn money online. But again, you need to be committed with yourself. You need to be committed with your success. Now, we're going to be using a series of websites. The very first website that we're going to be using is this one, DeepSeek. You can go to DeepSeek.com and you can definitely open a free account. Okay, so go right now to DeepSeek.com and open a free account. Now, in order to earn money online, we're going to be using DeepSeek. And remember, we're going to be using other websites. So let me share with you everything. Okay, first of all, what's the thing that I asked DeepSeek? Like, hey, give me 10 profitable online niches. Okay, I asked DeepSeek to give me 10 profitable online niches. I know, and even myself, I usually says that the most profitable online niches are health, wealth, and relationships. But I want to have more options. So DeepSeek told me that here are the 10 profitable online niches. That's really important because this is a way in which we're going to be earning money online. Okay, have shown consistent demand and growth potential, something huge because we want to scale our business. Okay, these niches are ideal for starting an online business, creating content, or offering services. Okay, so here we have the health that I mentioned before, personal financial investing. Here we have the wealth. Okay, here we have sustainable living and eco-friendly products, remote work and data nomad lifestyle, online education and skill development, pet care and products, gaming and e-sports, beauty, skincare, home improvement, niche hobbies, blah, blah, blah. So it's telling me that research validate demand using tools like Google Trends, Keyword Planner, or social media. Okay. So here's also telling me, for example, here for the health and wellness, it's telling me like an example is a fitness program, mental health coaching, supplements, yoga, and meditation. Why this is profitable? Increasing awareness of physical and mental health, especially post-pandemic. Okay, opportunities, online courses, ebook coaching, and affiliate marketing for health product. Okay, we're going to go with this one. Okay, so we're going to go with, in my case, I'm going to go with the health product. So I told them like, hey, okay, for number one, which is health and wellness, give me 10 topics for this. Okay, so here are the 10 topics within the health and wellness niche that you can explore for content creation and product development or online business ideas. For example, here we have weight loss and fitness programs, okay, mental health and mindfulness, healthy eating and nutrition, yoga and flexibility training, optimization, holistic health and alternative medicine, fitness and specific demographics, gut health and digestive wellness, intermittent fasting is actually really, really huge now, right now, fitness, technology, and uh, wearables. I don't really know how to pronounce that. Anyways, okay. Important things here. It's telling me ways to monetize. For example, we can go with an online ebook or course, coaching, YouTube channel, digital products, sponsored content. Okay, so based on this, we're gonna go and we're gonna find a product that is already built. Okay, you can find products on ClickBank, JVSU, Water Plus, D-Store, Commission Junction. Okay, so once you create your account, in my case, I'm gonna go with affiliate. Okay, here I am. So here are, okay, not sure what happened here right now, but here we have a list, okay, with different topics or categories. Okay, in my case, went with the health and fitness. Here I am. Okay, health and fitness. This is the one that I decided to go with. And here I have different products that we can actually promote. Okay, so you're gonna choose one that give you a great commission. Yes, for example, we have this one 124, 124, 164. And okay, it's related to the topics, uh, you know, that the AI it's giving me. In my case, I'm gonna go with this one, which is called Java Burn. Okay, this one, which is called Java Burn. This is actually a metabolism accelerator combined with coffee. So this is supplement. This here's your words first and only natural, blah, 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 blah. While boosting your health, energy, and well. Okay, there is never anything even close to Javaburn. Okay, so this is a product that has been around for some time. Okay, and it's definitely um, helping people and giving people results. So this is the one I'm gonna go with, which is the Javaburn. Okay, so once you have the product that you're gonna go with, take your time. Okay, there's no rush. I asked DeepSeek. It is familiar in my case with Javaburn. So I asked it, do you know the product Javaburn? If the answer is no, you will need to let them know what the product is about. Okay. Don't overcomplicate it. Just read the sales page, highlight the important key things, and put them on DeepSeek. Okay. That's it. Do not overcomplicate it. In this case, the answer is yes. DeepSeek knows about Javaburn, which is, it says here, Javaburn is a popular weight loss supplement that is designed to be mixed with coffee. It is marketed as a natural, tasteless powder that boosts metabolism, increase energy level, and it's also giving me some key features. Okay, how it works, how to use it, the tons of Java, is there any, is exactly legit, marketing and popularity. Okay, so since DeepSeek already know about it, I don't have to tell them more about it. Okay, so the only thing is, I put it here, excellent. Come up with 5 ebook titles about the benefit of losing weight with coffee. I am going to use it as a lead magnet. Okay, that means that I'm going to be using it for free to promote Javaburn. Okay, that's what I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be using this for free to promote Javaburn. Okay, so it's giving me different ideas. For example, we have here, build your way to slim, how coffee can supercharge your weight loss journey, the coffee lover's guide to burning fat, unlock the secret to effortless weight loss. Okay, it's also telling me why it works. It says here, for example, why it works is position coffee as a secret weapon. For fat burning, appealing to those who want an easy and enjoyable way to lose weight. Okay. For example, we have this here: sip, slim, and repeat. The science of using coffee to boost metabolism and lose weight. Um, for example, we have here from bean to lean, how your morning coffee can help you achieve your dreams body. Avoid where it's catchy, rhymes, and ties coffee directly to achieving final fitness goals, making it highly appealing. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you want to learn what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So I already chose one. I told them like, hey, I like number two. Come up with an ebook outline for the title. The title that I chose is The Coffee Lover's Guide to Burn Fat. Okay, so it's giving me the outline. Here I have the introduction, chapter 1, chapter 2. Okay, here I have chapter 3, chapter 4. Maybe bonuses that you can actually offer, bonus chapters. Okay, so here I ask first to write the introduction. Okay, and then I ask it to write and the very first chapter. But here is something really important. Okay, to add a call to action, and I explain it that I'm going to be adding my affiliate link. Okay, that's something really, really important because on the ebook, we are not only going to provide value, but we are also going to let them, okay, um, you know, get the product. In my case, is this one. So here I have click here to try Java Burn today, and you can replicate. Well, not you can. You actually need to replicate the same for the others. Okay, where you can get your link, you can go here where it says promote. Okay, you can go here where it says promote, and that's how you're actually gonna get your affiliate link. Now, how we can put these together. Okay, first you can go to Canva. You can go to canva.com. This is actually really easy, really simple. You're gonna type ebook, and you're gonna notice that Canva have different templates. Okay, for example, here this one it have 11 pages. So literally by copy and pasting, drag and dropping, you are gonna have the product. Here in this case, the ebook. There are others who just have one page. So that means that there is work in order to have it done. But if you like it and you have the patience, you can definitely do so. If not, go with one who already have different pages. You can also copy different pages. One thing that I really like about Canva is the fact that it gives me different elements, which is, images, videos that I can use so I don't have to worry about going to another place in order to get it. Okay. Once you have it, now what you need to do, we need to create a simple two-step uh, funnel. Okay. It's a simple two-step funnel in which we are going to be capturing people name and email in exchange of the ebook that we already have here. Okay. So in my case, I use System.io. If you want to give it a try, I'm going to leave the link below so you can open a free account. Then you're going to go to websites. You're going to go here where it says sales funnel. You're going to click here where it says create. I'm going to type here how you do. If you already have your domain connected, you're going to choose it. Then you're going to click here where it says build an audience. Okay. And you're going to save it. Now, you're going to notice that you're going to have two pages. Okay. Because this works like this. Okay. Here, you're going to have the first page in which we're asking people their name, email address. Then we have, most people tell me it's a thank you page, but it's basically a reach page. And then we send them to this page. But also, because of the tool we're using, we can start sending, it's supposed to be an envelope, okay? We can start sending messages via email, okay? So now this is actually really simple because of the tool we're using, okay? You can literally choose the one that you like and you can modify it by dragging and drop it, okay? It's actually really, really simple, okay? You can, for example, you can use this one. I'm going to click this one. I'm going to select it. I can change the name, put the thing here. So if let's say that I don't like this, I can delete it. Um, you can delete this as well. Okay. Let's say that you want to delete this as well. I prefer to keep things really normal. I can change this. That's here. Okay. So you can change it. Okay. The same with the other page. Okay. Here on the other page, I'm gonna choose, a simple template. Okay. Let's say that I'm gonna go. Let's say that I'm gonna go with this one, just to make it fast. What you have to do here, if you have to tell them like, hey, they're gonna get their thing on their ebook on their email, and here we're gonna have a button because remember that here we're gonna send them to this page. So if they're ready to make the purchase, they can actually make it right away. If not, this is why it's actually so powerful. We can keep reminding them about this product and we can also recommend them other products. Okay. So this is actually a really powerful strategy in which you can actually build your online business. Traffic wise, you can get it from different social networks. You can even ask DeepSeek to give you content idea, okay, for the traffic to promote. In my case, it's going to go with Java, okay? So remember, guys, if you want to learn what's my number one recommendation to make money online, if you are really committed with yourself, you're really committed with your success, go ahead. You can do it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to your channel, keep the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.